Hey everyone! In this video, we're going to compare two of the most popular air fryers on the market, the Chefman digital air fryer and the Emeril Lagasse air fryer. By the end of this video, you'll have a better idea of which air fryer is perfect for your kitchen. Before we dive into our comparisons, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below, and subscribe to our channel to see more of our reviews. Both air fryers are highly versatile and can cook, bake, dehydrate, rotisserie, and roast. However, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer does come with 24 custom presets compared to the Chefman digital air fryer's 17 options, giving it a slight edge in this category. The Chefman digital air fryer uses rapid air heating elements to cook food faster, so you don't need to preheat it like traditional ovens. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer's extra hot 500 degrees Fahrenheit convection crisp technology generates 360 degrees airflow at higher temperatures up to 30% faster. Both air fryers do an excellent job, but the Emeril Lagasse air fryer has a bit of an edge in this category. Both air fryers use less oil than traditional fryers, eliminating up to 98% of the oil from your meals. As a result, both air fryers are a healthier option. It's a tie in this category. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer's family-size extra-large 26-quart capacity fits a whole rotisserie chicken and a 12-inch pizza, making it ideal for family dinners or meal prepping. The Chefman digital air fryer's extra-large 10-liter capacity is great for meal prepping large quantities of food. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer has a much larger capacity, making it the winner in this category. Both air fryers come with a range of accessories, but the Emeril Lagasse air fryer includes every accessory and tool you need, from a crisper tray basket to a rotisserie fetch tool, making it a more comprehensive package than the Chefman digital air fryer. The Emeril Lagasse air fryer wins this category as well. The Chefman digital air fryer is priced at $119, while the Emeril Lagasse air fryer is one of the pricier air fryers on the market at $249. The Chefman digital air fryer has a more affordable price point, making it the winner in this category. Both air fryers are excellent options, but it all depends on your needs and budget. The Chefman digital air fryer is perfect if you're looking for an affordable option with simplified setup, easy-to-use capacitive touch control screen, and less complicated cooking. On the other hand, if you want to make family-size meals and access more cooking options, the Emeril Lagasse air fryer is perfect for you. So that's it for our comparison. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to hit the like button, comment down below with your thoughts and suggestions, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.